In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create long AI animation videos with consistent characters with Grok AI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a conversation in Grok so your characters stay on model across many scenes, and how to guide the AI to produce a cohesive, long-form animation plan you can use in your creative pipeline. First, open your browser and go to the Grok website. This brings you to the home page where you'll access the chat experience that powers all of our prompting. Keep this tab open so you can return to it as you develop your project over time. Next, click on Chat. This takes you into the main interface where you'll be writing and refining your prompt. Think of this chat as your production room. Everything you say here becomes direction for character design, world rules, and shot-by-shot planning. Staying in a single conversation is helpful because it lets Grok maintain continuity for your characters and settings over long sequences. Now, type in the prompt. This is where consistency begins. Start by defining your characters with clarity. Give each one a concise label and a distinctive set of anchors that won't change, such as hairstyle, color palette, clothing silhouettes, signature props, and proportions. State the visual style you want locked across the whole video. Animation type, line weight, texture, lighting mood, and aspect ratio. Describe the world rules and tone, and specify motion language like camera movements and editing rhythm. Then outline your long video in acts, scenes, or chapters, asking Grok to return a structured plan with a numbered shot list, timestamps or estimated durations, and continuity notes that track character states, outfits, and emotions from scene to scene. Tell it explicitly to reuse the same character anchors in every scene and to flag any drift. You can also ask for reusable tags like character IDs and scene IDs so your assets remain organized. If you already have reference descriptors such as hex colors, short style tags, or concise pose and expression libraries, include them in the same prompt so the model treats them as non-negotiable constraints throughout the conversation. Finally, click Submit or press Enter. Review the output carefully. If anything drifts, reply in the same thread and restate your anchors, asking Grok to revise while preserving your locked traits. Keep iterating in that single chat so the memory of your characters remains intact as the plan grows into a full-length animation roadmap. And that's it. You went to Grok, opened chat, crafted a strong continuity-focused prompt, and submitted it. Use this method whenever you build long animations, and your characters will stay consistent from the first frame to the last.